Oh shit, sie hat Heuschnupfen.
Oh God.
I said stay away.
We need to get you help.
It's too late for that.
Guys, she's been bitten.
What?
I told you, I said go away. I'm bit. But you wouldn't just leave.
Let's calm down. You could be fine.
I won't be fine. My boyfriend was bitten. You get sick and you die and you come back and you kill anything you can find.
You have a boyfriend?
Glenn?
I don't want that. It's not Christian. Please, just leave me. Please go.
Kevin, komm mit uns.
Okay, we'll leave. Just try to take care of yourself for whatever time you have left.
You have a gun.
So?
Can I borrow it?
What do you mean, borrow?
Give it to me. I can just, end this, and then there's no problem.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Please, I don't want to be one of them. They're satanic.
Gib es ihr, du kannst
We
sicher
can't
nicht.
do that to yourself.
Then
Bitch.
do it for me.
We need to get going.
Give it
Sperren
to me,
wir sie.
please.
This is crazy.
Please, step back.
It's just 2 seconds, just one bullet, and I can be with my family, and it'll all be fine.
Miss.
Back up, please.
Oh shit. Ist sie verreckt?
Whoa, take it easy. We just want to help.
You can't.
Miss, just relax now. You need to think this through. We'll find you a doctor. It'll be okay. Let's all just... No! No!
Let's get out of here.
Oh shit, der hat den Schuss gehört.
Here they come!
Ja, fressen die Schuss. Es ist nur eine Kugel. Errungenschaft. Errungenschaft.
Everyone all right?
Nein.
Yeah, we had some close calls, but Glenn is fine and... Well, yeah. We're okay.
I've got a few cans of gas for your pickup in the trunk of my car.
Good to hear it.
And things back here?
Quiet. Our friend is still in and out over there. He won't survive any more stress.
The next order of business is getting those pills out of the pharmacy.
Machen wir das für den Wichser. Also. Kenny halt das sich.
It's all melted now.
Aha. The fuck?
How we doing?
If you don't mind, I think my family and I are gonna rest for a bit. Let me know if that asshole over there takes a turn for the worse.
You got it.
Also, was haben wir da? Batterie. Oh, warte, ich kann nicht etwas flicken. Grußkarte. Nein, brauche ich nicht. Mit dir bin ich schon draus gsi. Schau mal da.
This battery should fit the radio.
Great, thanks.
Schon gut. Und
I'm
geht's.
still looking for batteries for that thing.
Wie
Thanks.
viele Batterien
I
braucht
appreciate
das? 50 Batterien für ein Radio. So, da untersuchen
Looks
erstens.
like nobody got a chance to donate anything before this all went down.
Damn! Also, Mädchen.
Hey there.
Hi,
Can I
Gotcha.
get you anything?
I'm okay. Maybe I'm a little hungry.
Still, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't much.
I know, Glenn. I'll see if I can find something else for you.
Wir sollten uns kennenlernen.
So,
Are you okay?
what? Yeah, I'm fine. I just, I'm good.
That's good.
Yeah, I think so. Being good is good, despite the circumstances.
Yep.
Caridonis Mausprojekt, wie geht's
How's
dir
your
mit Ding?
finger, Clem?
Good. It doesn't hurt so much anymore.
Good.
Ich weiß nicht, bin ich denn
I
der?
know I'm not your dad, but if you need anything, I'm your guy, okay?
Okay. Same.
You're my guy?
Oh, no. You know.
We're gonna try to take care of each other.
Yes. Deal.
We'll sit tight.
Okay.
Du hast nach Clem angeschaut. Yes! Also, was ist mit dir? Immer am dumm tun, hä?
How you doing, Glenn?
You know.
Wegen der Sache im Hotel kennst du die Konvention der Straße im Gitter lassen und was hast du jetzt
Do
vor?
you know the combination for the lock on the gate outside?
Why?
Oh, you know, I thought I'd go stretch my legs.
You're probably better off breaking it if you have to.
Ja, musst nicht so komisch schauen, hast
That's the
schon...
motor in.
How can it be that bad so fast?
You know, when things are taken away, people do crazy shit.
I guess. But that's not me. I'm not giving up. Not for anything.
Good, man. Good.
I guess you really wanted that gun.
Seems like.
Why didn't you tell Carly to just give it to her?
Das war schöne Information, wir dürfen jetzt nicht...
Would you have given it to her?
No way.
Then you know why.
Haha!
What's your next move?
I don't know. I mean, you guys seem okay.
What about your family?
Yeah, I
Forget it, man. That's your business.
hate feeling like I can't do anything.
I know the feeling, man. Try to get some rest.
Yeah, right.
Ja, versuch mich nie mehr in Frage zu stellen, Bitch! Das bin nämlich ich. Motherfucker. Ich weiß, wie es läuft.
The pills are in there.
Yes. Wenn wir irgendwie dort hinkommen. Was ist mit dem Wichser?
Hey,
I'm gonna get back to him now.
Okay. Damn. Also ich habe eine Axt. Ah, vielleicht kann ich jetzt Ding, blablabla. Vor ein Ding aufbrechen. Gehen wir raus.
Good. Want to go have a look around outside?
Yes.
let's have a look around.
Okay.
Dass man eben das Licht muss hören, weißt du? Schau, jetzt kann ich doch... Was ist das für... Mit der Axt?
Hey man, what are you doing? We can't even think about going out there unless the keys are out there for sure.
Ja, aber...
That guy over there has the keys.
How can you be sure?
I found this in the office. That boy in the photo worked here. The keys being on him is as good a bet as we could make.
Yeah, I agree. Just need to figure out how to get out there and get them. Wouldn't need long, right?
Nah, just a few seconds.
Maybe there's a way to distract them and buy you some time.
I can't reach that brick.
Warte, ich habe Fernbedienung.
Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
I did, but it was too risky.
Ich kann doch
A bunch of
irgendwas...
guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
Nein.
They're most of who you see wandering around out there.
Warte. Schloss. Lies Bruder, mein Bruder. Dog.
Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
Hat der Sandalen und Socken an, glaubst du nicht?
Program it to work with those TVs across the street. Let's just hope the power is still on.
You can just do that?
Ja, da kann ich rausgehen.
I memorized all the codes when I was in AV. Let's try.
Yes!
Well fucking done, Doug. All that dork nonsense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't? That got a few of them to take notice.
But not enough.
Scheiße, was kann man da noch machen? Ton müsste es haben, hä?
Those TVs are on, and I'm sure they're making a lot of noise behind that glass.
Ah, ja, dann schließen wir doch das Glas, aber ich habe keine Ahnung wie. Ich müsste den Stein, ja.
Can't reach that brick.
Aber er vielleicht.
Let's
Gehen wir
head
wieder
back inside.
Okay.
Das muss ich überlegen.